Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. It's Jeff here, Forex Trading for Beginners. As you know, I trained with the ninjas. Just a quick follow-up video. It's evening time for me in Thailand. It's a quick follow-up from this afternoon's video where I've been trading on the Euro pairs recently, Euro USD, Euro CAD. There's a change from gold and indices. Some people can't trade. In America, they struggle with indices and they struggle with gold. So back to Forex to show people a simple solution with the V70 Plus and a few other bits and bobs I've been throwing in there. It's a simple solution, 1 minute time frame, in and out. So this morning I went back to 7 a.m. UK time, and after 10 hours, we showed 30% growth. That's right, 30% growth. And I've kept them on my chart, the growth, and I'm going to take what happens from there. My plan is to do this every day with a picking a pair and showing you what can happen if you have the correct strategy, which obviously mine works very well. And it's simple, easy, and it's very effective indeed. If you want to learn to trade, I do encourage you to check out. Yeah, it's not free like because we'll have our academy, we'll have our technologies. This is what it really is. It's technology. You have to pay for it. It's just £4 a day, $6 a day. That's really it. So I'll just share my screen. Let me just quickly check one little thing. A little message. Okay, so here we go. Where are you, ladies and gentlemen? Where are you? Trying to look for you. Where I've lost my video. Here we go. Oh no, it's not there. Here I am here. So I share my screen right now. So you're all actually in this group here, unless someone shared it with you. Forex Trading Beginners. That's me there on the beach in Koh Samui, Thailand. 7,500 members. It cannot be wrong, ladies and gentlemen. That was the earlier video there. It's only 15 minutes long, where I've showed only 454 people have seen that, which is very interesting. Showing 30% growth. This was it here from 7 a.m. this morning from UK Bangkok time, that is. There. Yep, initially I was doing lines for the entries. You can see there, just to show you some of the growth at the entry points. Yep, just there nicely. So we have some simple rules. I'll just remind you. Yeah, put that one there. And I went down to there. So I'm just going to take that. That was there, ladies and gentlemen. That point there. Yep. So I'm just going to remove this over here a little bit. You can see there, then it reversed. Thank you very much. So we'll have to be underneath this line, and we'll have to have these pieces. Now I have some special technology builds this for me called the Ninjacator, and you get that in our Ninja trading system. So we have here these special bands. We have these little things where we use our stop loss, and these little things that say if you're not in the trade already, I would encourage you, but only if it's below this line here. And this blue line is at a certain condition. Yeah, but it's heading down. So H, as long as it's under the line there. So just to show you. So we get that there. We get this PSR flip there. This is a 1 minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. A 1 minute time frame. So we just say go something there. We get the PSR flip there. We enter there. I'll just show you what we do. Do we get profit with this one? Well, we know we do. So I typically talk about let's get 0.5%, lock in 0.5%, and take it from there. Now, what do we get? So it goes there, goes to 2. Now, one candle, look at that there. Can't make that stuff up, ladies and gentlemen. Goes down, back up. Goes down there, and you see how these PSRs change from top to bottom. So there's the exit there. That's a simple. That's one of the exit strategies I use. I showed in our exit university in our trading camp. So that's simple, easy, effective. And an additional 5, nearly 6% for the day. No stress. And we just went with that there. So we exit the trade. Let me just check at that point there. It carries down. It tells me at this point here, Jeff, you should really start considering. You're not already in that trade. You should actually start considering entering there. This has been a flip. Yep, there. So we enter that just there. We're below that there. We're below that there, and we're below that. Again, you can't make this stuff up, ladies and gentlemen. Super easy. Yeah, you could have even been slightly earlier. This goes just the other side of there. It comes down, goes up, back down. You see at this point that there stops being there on that candle. So we've got options. When do we get out? Yep. So sometimes it depends on the size of the candle. If you just take it at that point, says it's coming up, just you can take it there, another 3% top of that. So that'd be 38% for the day so far. Let me just double check that's correct. Yeah, 38% for the day so far. Let's move that over. It then reverses, it goes up, and then it says, Jeff, you should start considering this. But I wouldn't take that one. Why? Because we're above this line. I'm not, that goes against my rules. And at this point here, it says, get ready for a buy. But it's went from a downtrend, it's saying it potentially could be an uptrend, but it could just be a pullback, ladies and gentlemen. So here's the truth. I am cautious, but if I have to take every trade based on this, I take every trade based on that. So when I enter there or just there, why? So we're above there, that tells me there. This goes to there, the stop loss, and I make another one. That's 8%, 6 and 3. So that's 9%. And then when it comes down and get that there, you'd probably end up something like that there. So let's call it 0.5%. Yeah, so call that 10% in total, give or take. So that's 40% for the day so far. So that we get a sell there, but we don't enter the trade until there. Why? Because we're above that line and we're there. Just follow simple, effective rules, ladies and gentlemen. Do a short, breaks there, it's breaking through the line. We get a PCR flip there, so you could have even been in potentially slightly early, but we trust our rules. Yeah, it goes down there. We get a PCR flip. Oh, do we, ladies and gentlemen, do we get a PCR flip? There. You see that right there? So we exit the trade on that point just there. It's now 1%. Comes back up there, it says into the trade there. Nothing stress. Some people see might only want to take one direction, only buys and only sells. There's nothing wrong, that's an effective strategy. I'm just showing you taking every single trade. Goes up there, PCR flips round over there, to get into there or there. This time not locked, but I would have locked in 0.5%. So I always get my 0.5%. Yep. So that's 11.5%, ladies and gentlemen. So now it comes in for a sell, just there, below the line, 11.5%. Nearly finished for the day as it dumps below there. Yeah, where did the PSARs flip? Oh, that's I end up probably getting 0.5%. So 0.5%. Yep. And then I'm struggling here getting this in, but it goes up there. So that's what's up there? 9, 10, 11%, give or take. It's maybe a little bit more actually. It just takes there, call it 11. Plus, that one goes up there nicely, absolutely nicely. And the PSAR flips round about. Oh, let me just check there. 11, call it 12%. Then you're within the cell. Nothing major, nothing crazy, super easy, effective strategy. Yeah, PSAR flips. check. So, flips. Just there. So again, probably like 0.5%, about 0.5%. Yeah, and then we come down here. So that's maybe 11, 12, 12%. It's there, it's underneath there, it's underneath there. PSAR's up there. See, and this one's a nice one indeed, ladies and gentlemen. And you see that there. Tells you to exit it. All the PSARs are actually still on top. If you didn't stay in that trade, but you've got some equity in the game, flips round about there. Seems to be round about there. So that's 8%. Thank you very much. Like 19, 18, 19%, 20% for the day. Top of your 30, that's 50% growth for the day. So it then goes back up. Just below that, no entry, no entry, no entry. Says you could enter the trade there if I wish to, ladies and gentlemen. So far for the day. Yeah. That bit there. That comes up there, and the PSAR flips right there, and I would get another, maybe another 1%. It's 21 plus 4. There's another trade there. Super easy, effective strategy. PSAR flips there, another 2 points, call it 2.5. So 21, 23.5. Hopefully one more 23.5%. So it sells there, it says sell, it ends up there, whatever. Just there. So it's not flipped yet, ladies and gentlemen, so we don't enter the trade there. Trust the rules. Down, PSAR flips round about there. Just 21. 23. Let's call it 25%, ladies and gentlemen. It's a lot. It's a lot. Then I think we're almost done there. This last one here. There. Flip. It's up there. Piece up flips round about there. Probably exit round about there. That there. Stop loss there. Another 8%. Well, 33, so 60, approximately 66% for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've got that. Enjoyed, simple, easy, effective. Look, well, it's 65% for the day, 30% the first video, 35% this video. Super easy, effective. Want to learn this? You're a part of our community. I'll give you this as a bonus directly for myself. I'll mentee personally to get up to speed. See you soon, ladies and gentlemen. I'll not see you